Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add games to GameStick Lite 4K. First, ensure the games you want to add are in a compatible ROM format, such as NES or Sega Genesis. Organize the ROM files in a folder on your computer for easy access. Next, power off your GameStick Lite 4K and remove the SD card if there is one already inserted. Then, insert the SD card into your computer using an SD card reader if necessary. On your computer, navigate to the SD card's directory and locate the folder labeled Games or ROMs. Drag and drop the game ROMs from your computer into the corresponding folders on the SD card. If the folders are not clearly labeled, you might need to refer to the user manual or create your own organization system. After transferring the ROMs, safely eject the SD card from your computer and insert it back into the GameStick Lite 4K. Turn on your GameStick Lite 4K and use the controller to navigate to the games menu. Locate the newly added games, select one and start playing. Make sure the ROMs are using a compatible game with GameStick Lite 4K and always download ROMs legally to avoid copyright infringement. It is also a good idea to back up your SD card before making any changes. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.